Hello, YouTube, and how y'all doing? And how my followers doing as well. God bless y'all all. And yes, this is your girl Yolanda Huns, aka Queen Yolanda. And how are my princesses and prince doing today? And it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Yes, 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 yes. And today I'm doing for y'all a fish and tater tots mukbang. And I got my Poland Spring water. You know that Poland Spring is on the deck. And yes, and slash story time too. I got an interesting one for you this time. But yes, this is the fish and the tater tots. But yes, let me tell you what's going on, what I just now figured out, okay? You know, me and Melvin have been going at it back and forth, right? Now I notice why my son is not responding to my calls, video chats, and everything, cause she the one keeping him from doing that. Okay, because she knows that I will question him, okay, especially where he's sleeping at. But no, she got my son lying, which her son David Hearns is sleeping in his bed, his room, okay? So now she is making my children lie now, that's a bad thing, okay? That's a bad thing. Got my kids lying, okay, to me and to other people. I never taught my children to lie at all, okay? Never. And her, the one they supposed to be looking up to, and and the one that's there supposed to be teaching them right from wrong, got my child lying to me, his mother, okay? And then her grandson's still there. So yes, now, yeah, because I didn't even hear from my own son on Valentine's Day. How he forgot? No, he ain't forgot. He lying for her. And that's bad on her report, okay? Because he never done that before. Now you all see how spiteful and hateful she is. Now she has my children lying to me. And if something was to happen, she have them lie to other people too, that's a bad example for my children, meaning they special needs at that. Teaching a special need child to lie like that is very bad on her part. She is no good of an example for my children. And every time I'm talking to him, he cuts off the screen, then come back, then lie again. That is very bad what she's doing, lying, have my children, which is special needs, lying, not answering the phone or video chat, no nothing. And I'm their mother. You see what bad example she is to my children? Which is that's bad, okay? One strike against her. which is very bad. Actually, I gotta do what I gotta do now because she's not gonna have my children lying to me. That's bad. And she a bad example for them. And then that's when I know. That day I was FaceTiming him and he just hung up. She made him hung up the video chat with me. And that's what she do. That's what she do. Have them make them hang up on me and stuff. Being hateful, spiteful, and mean. And that's a bad example. That's no good. She's a bad example. A bad parent. And everything. And he's not sleeping in his room if David there. I know that for a fact. Okay? Because when I was over there, every time her son comes up, even to live, my son kicked out of his own room. Of his own room. So I feel is there enough room for my children? It's time for them to go from the house. It's time. And this time, her lies can't help her now. Her lies this time around, her lies can't help her at all. Because she be making my son and my daughter massaging her arms, legs, over her and her stomach and back and chest and stuff. She's a pervert. Because she don't have no man. She probably mad horny. And then especially having them over her, touching her like that. Even my children don't do that to me. She's a pervert. And I got proof to show she's a pervert. She's in the world of trouble now. And you know what? She could keep me away because I don't care not to come back over there. It's overcrowded anyway. So I'm gonna do what I got to do. And I have proof. Got my children ignoring me from video chat and call, so I see how they doing, talk with them. Now she stopping my kids to speaking on me on the phone or video chatting me now that's dead wrong. That's real hatefulness right there. Every dog has its day, and definitely that dog has fleas. This is very crazy. Both of my parents turning over in the grave right about now. God bless their soul. God bless their souls. I love my parents to death. But having her was a waste of my father's sperm, and they should have both went to sleep before having her. No mean of disrespect, no attendant, But yeah, she was a waste of sperm. I'm ashamed to have a sister like that. How hateful, spiteful she is towards her own family. And yes, I'm sharing this video on Facebook too. Stop and my kids communicating with me. And they know, and she knows they love me and I love them. She's a home wrecker. Excuse me. All I want to do, because she barred me from her house for no reason, talk to my children on the phone at least and video chat them so I know they're okay. But now she's stopping them from doing that. I really want to say something else, but even I know it's gonna be real cool what I'm saying, okay? So I'm not gonna say this little piece. I know I could say it this way. Meaning she almost lost her life one time before. Almost lost it. She would have compassion for other lives, you know? But with her heart, It's not happening because she's still rude, hateful, spiteful creature that she still is towards life. To me, that made her more money hungry and more evil. That's my opinion. This water so good and cold. That's a shame. You think somebody that almost lost their life could cherish their own life and lives of others? Mm-mm. Nah, it's not happening with her. Because it's still the same way. More evil. She's definitely a misfit. Like the misfit toys, she definitely a misfit. You know, I was thinking of doing now too. I'm gonna start doing challenges. I was thinking about doing that because I do mukbang, story time. Uh, I can't do no jokes, no pranks just yet. But I was thinking about doing challenges. No hot or spicy, but other challenges I was thinking about doing. Y'all remember that song? You down with OPP? But she's down with OPM. And you know what that spell? Others, people, money. That's her lifestyle. She down with OPM. Yeah, you know her. She down with OPM. Yes, you know her. She down with OPM.